Right?
We will no longer prolong the agony of waiting to see the presentations. And it is nice to start with the seminary kids.
Yeah.
Palakpakan naman natin sila.
Seminary kids.
Yay!
It was a very cold day, but Joseph and Mary, who was pregnant at the time, went to Jerusalem to register. When they arrived in Jerusalem, they were not able to find a room because all the hotels and inns were full, so they settled in a stable. While they were there, Mary gave birth to baby Jesus. In the same region, there were shepherds staying in the fields and keeping watch over their flocks at night. Suddenly, an angel of the Lord appeared before them, saying,
"Do not be afraid, for I bring you good news. Today in the city of David there is a Savior that is born. He is Christ the Lord. You will find him wrapped in cloths and lying in a manger."
Let's go to Bethlehem to see baby Jesus.
Okay.
Mary's mother wrapped him in swaddling clothes and laid him in a manger. Meanwhile, in a faraway land in the east, the Magi are making their way through the night. They They are following a bright star.